Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn English and improve English with story. The Princess and the Stranger. In the kingdom of Avaloria, where golden towers touched the sky and roses bloomed in every garden, there lived a princess named Isabella. She was known not only for her beauty, her cascading chestnut hair, emerald green eyes, and a smile that could light up the darkest night, but also for her kind heart. Every morning, she would walk through the village, speaking with the people, helping the poor, and sharing her warmth with those in need. Yet, despite her beauty and grace, Isabella's heart longed for something more than riches and royal balls. She dreamed of a love that was real, one that was not born out of duty or arranged by her father, the king. One evening, as the autumn leaves danced in the wind, a grand tournament was held in the kingdom. Knights from across the land came to showcase their strength and bravery. Among them was a man no one had ever seen before. Tall, strong, with sharp blue eyes and hair as dark as the midnight sky. His armor bore no crest, and his name was unknown. "Who is that?" Isabella whispered as she watched him defeat one opponent after another. "They call him Damien," said her lady-in-waiting, "a stranger from a faraway land." Intrigued, Isabella could not take her eyes off him. He moved with grace, fought with unmatched skill, and had an air of mystery about him. When he won the tournament, the crowd erupted in cheers, and the king himself stood to honor him. "You have fought bravely, Sir Damien," the king announced. "As champion, you may ask for any reward within my power to give." Damien turned, his piercing gaze locking onto Isabella's. For a moment, the world seemed to hold its breath. "I ask only for a dance with the princess," he said. A hush fell over the crowd. No knight had ever dared to ask for such a request. The king hesitated, but seeing the curiosity in Isabella's eyes, he nodded. That evening, under the glow of 1,000 lanterns, Isabella and Damien danced. His hand was strong yet gentle as it rested on her waist, guiding her effortlessly across the marble floor. She had danced with many noblemen before, but never had she felt her heart race like this. "Who are you, truly?" she asked, breathless. "A man with nothing," he replied, his voice low. "And yet, standing here with you, I feel like I have everything." The days that followed were filled with stolen glances, whispered conversations in the gardens, and walks beneath the moonlit sky.
The kingdom buzzed with rumors of their growing affection, but not everyone was pleased. "You cannot marry a man with no title, no land," the king warned her. "You are a princess. Your husband must be a prince." But Isabella's heart had already chosen. "A title does not make a man worthy," she argued. "His heart does." Still, the king refused. Heartbroken, Isabella met Damien by the river where they often spoke in secret. "I would give up the crown if it meant being with you," she confessed. Damien cupped her face in his hands, his blue eyes filled with love. "And I would spend my life proving that I am worthy of you." That night, Damien disappeared. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. The princess waited, but he never returned. Just when hope began to fade, a royal messenger arrived with shocking news. A distant kingdom had been reclaimed, a land that had been lost for years, now restored by a rightful heir who had been living in exile. And at the gates of Avaloria, dressed no longer in the armor of a nameless knight, but in the robes of a king, stood Damien. "I was never a common warrior," he revealed. "I was a prince, my kingdom stolen from me when I was just a boy. I came here seeking justice, but I found something greater, you." The king, seeing Damien's true nobility, finally gave his blessing. And so, on a spring morning, beneath an archway of roses, Isabella and Damien were wed. She, the princess who longed for true love, and he, the prince who fought not only for his kingdom, but for the woman he loved. As they stood together, hands entwined, they knew that their love was not one written in history books, nor dictated by duty. It was written in the stars, in their hearts, and in the whispered promises they had made beneath the moon. And together, they ruled not just as king and queen, but as soulmates forever bound by love. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.